Hi everyone, this is Pooja Agrawal, and in this video we're going to understand how Vishy website and app works and how you can use it to start your own multi-category e-commerce business. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, this is the main website. Your client can change the slider, so it have movable sliders that your client can change. It changes automatically too. By clicking on any slider, your clients or your customer will redirect it to the particular category. Right now we have clicked on women fashion, so it is redirecting us to women fashion clothing. So that's how the basic website works. So similarly, this website is designed for multiple category business. If your client clicks on any of these images, they will be redirected to their particular category. For example, if they click on men fashion images, then they will redirect to the men fashion. For women fashion, they will redirect it to the women fashion. So this will have the different product slidings also. So similarly, if you click on the home fashion thing for the budget buy fashion thing, similarly if you click on this banner, it will redirect you to the all the products available for different offers. As you can see, it will redirect your client to shop. So this is the base functionality of this website, and if you scroll down, you can see all the other categories and all, and then there's the app listing available. So this is the basic functionality and the basic front end of the Vishy. So similarly, this website is designed for multiple category business. You can add as much category if you want to add from the admin. We will discuss this in the future. So now as you can see, this is the basic front end of the Vishy, and this is the menu thing. Your client can click on any of these menu and they will redirect it to the particular category, and this is the whole menu where all the categories are available. And now here your customers can actually search the product. If they type even 3 words, it will show them the product available with the image. So if for example if you are searching the sari, so all the product available with the sari name will show. If you click on that, the sari product will open. Then your customer can actually click on it, add to cart, and do the other things. So let's understand how the other things will work. We'll click on the Vishy logo and go again. All these images are clickable. By clicking on any of these images, your client will redirect it to the particular category of that image. You can even change the link. If for example, if you don't want the particular category to click on any specific place, you can change it. And these are the filters available for low to high to low. Your client can also filter the price. If they want to purchase the product for a particular price also, they can filter it by here. As you can see on the screen, we have filtered the product. So as now we can see the product only for this particular pricing, and we can always change it. So your customer can shop by latest category also. And as you can see, this was the last product we opened, so this is showing in recently viewed product. So this is the basic functionality. Now we'll understand how you can buy a product using the Vishy. Now as you can see, this is the product we are trying to buy. This is the stock available. And now as you can see, this is the add to wish list. Wish list mean you don't want to buy right now, but you want to add it to cart. Now it is the add cart. Here you can increase, decrease the quantity. Here we can write any quantity we want. This is the description and review, and this is the related product. Now we'll click on add to cart. The product has been added successfully. Click on view cart. Here are the products added to cart. Now click on proceed to checkout. Here your customers can add coupon code or offer code available. Now we don't have any coupon code. Now as you can see, this is the details your client need to fill, and as you can see, this is the delivery charges. If you want to provide your client only free delivery till 1000 rupees or something like that, you can do that by this website. Our consultant will help you completely how to do that. So as you can see, your client can enter all this information, and after that they can either pay by cash on delivery or they can go by online payment system. They will need to click here to agree terms and condition and click on place order. So after click on place order, it will take you to a website like this, and now it will ask you to pay online. Here we have connected Razorpay payment gateway. You can connect any payment gateway you want to connect, like PayPal, PayUmoney, InstaMojo, and Stripe and others. But we recommend Razorpay because it gives you all these 4 options: card, net banking, wallet, and UPI. Other payment gateway doesn't have these all options available at one point. as this website and app will support third party payment gateway only, like Razorpay. So you can create your own Razorpay account, and our consultant will connect your account with your website, so you can start getting online payments by your client. So now we are going to cancel this order as we don't want to pay online. So now I'm going to show you how you can order using COD, cash on delivery. So now just click here and click on agree, and now place order. And yeah, order has been received by the admin. Now we are going to the admin and check. Go to WooCommerce and orders, and yeah, you can see the order is here, 1 minute ago order. You can click on the name and you can check this was the order details, and this is the order, this is the delivery charges and everything. And you can also change the order status from processing to completed, and you just click on update to submit the update, and the client will receive a mail that okay, your order has been completed. Whenever a client orders, they automatically receive a bill on their registered mail. So that is the basic way your client can order from Vishy. Now we'll understand how you can use Vishy dashboard to actually change anything or to use for your business. So now let's understand how Vishy admin works and how you can add product or you can customize your website according to you. So now, as you can see on the screen, firstly go to products, and in products we can add products, we can add categories and all. So we already have a video where you can understand how to add product, how to add categories and all these things. Right now we are just going to share the information in very short way. So here are all the products listed. From here you can check different products and their availability. From here you can add menus and other things. From here, from WooCommerce and orders, as we seen previously, you can check your orders, you can check what is your client details, what was their address and everything. And you can change their order status like processing, completed, on hold, cancelled, and the client will receive the notification in mail. Also they can see the order status in their website by logging in their account, and also in the app also they can see what is the order status. After that, as you can see on the screen, your client you can check what is the past order, you can filter the order by date, month or particular customer name. So this is the basic way to check the order details. You don't need to send any bill manually because your client will get bill automatically on their registered email ID. Other than this, if you want to change anything in the app, as app and website are connected, so to do that you will need to go here, and from here you can change any banners, and also from the settings you can change like WhatsApp number and other things. So this is the basic way the website works and the connected app works, and this is the basic way how you can change the admin also, and this is the way how app looks. Your client can either order on website or app. You will receive order notification in the same admin, and your client can order from any of your platform. If you upload a product on your website, it will automatically get uploaded in the app also. This is the basic way how the website and app works. You can use this website for multiple businesses, like you want to buy electronics, home, fashion and other products also. You can use this website. So this was the basic how Vishy admin works. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then like this video and comment below if you have any query, or you can directly contact to your counselor also. So if you like this video, kindly So this was the basic way how Vishy website and app works. If you have any query, you can comment below, or you can directly call your consultant, so he can help you directly how this website and app works. And for more, kindly subscribe us, and thank you for watching.